that is to them a very great treasure. Exhausted by the rigors of giving birth, the empress must now entrust her egg to her mate so that she can dive into the sea to find food for herself. To get the egg from mother to father, it will have to pass over the ice between them. If the egg spends over 30 seconds in contact with the frozen ground, the embryo will not survive. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just in time. Even before birth, protected by only a fragile shell, this chick has won his first fight for survival. The first of many to come. Even with the small protection of the valley walls, temperatures at Ormoc drop 40 degrees below zero. The emperor and his companions must huddle up for warmth. Nearly 2 months after it was laid, his egg is not far from hatching, and the emperor cannot afford to expose it to the freezing winds. Fortunately for the emperor, he at least is able to stay on his egg. But not every father or every egg fares so well.